Hello, welcome to Geographic Software Design. This is an in-person class that I'm teaching at the University of Tennessee in spring 2025. And today is the first day of class. And I will record all the videos throughout the semester. The class will meet Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll be uploading videos, recording videos in class and upload them to YouTube weekly. So you're welcome to follow through this course. All the lecture contents and materials and also videos will be freely available on YouTube. So you don't need to enroll. You can just follow through, and you can also do all the weekly lab assignments to learn how to design and develop open source Python packages for geospatial analysis and interactive mapping. And the course website is gog-510.jshub.org. You can also find the link in the video description below. And in this course, I'm going to teach all the practical tools that I'm using daily to develop open source packages. And you're going to build Python packages from scratch. And if you have been using Python to do geospatial analysis or mapping, or even if you don't have any programming background, but if you are really interested in making your research or your products or your algorithms more accessible to the geospatial community or the general public, this course is for you. So we're going to cover all the things that the essential skills that you need to have to develop Python packages. Very practical, and we're going to have a lot of hands-on exercise for you to practice and build your own Python packages. We are going to use some of the examples, for example, Gmap and LeafMap. So these are some of the packages that I developed in the last couple of years, and you're welcome to check out. So essentially, what you're going to get out of this course at the end is you're going to have a Python package, your own Python package, and you're going to have a lot of examples, your algorithm. You're also going to have a website that's something like this. And I'm going to teach you step by step how to get that. And you will host all the open source packages, for example, on GitHub. You're also welcome to check out some other packages that I created and maintain. So there are a lot of resources available, and I hope you find it useful. These are some of the things that you want to learn. It's not limited to this. This is just the list of things that you want to learn. You're going to learn how to use Git for version control and how to push source code to GitHub. You're also going to learn how to design and develop open source packages for geospatial analysis. We're also going to utilize some of the existing libraries, for example, GeoPandas, IPyLeaflet, Folium, LeafMap, and you can host all your source code on GitHub. And you will also be able to just publish and deploy the packages, for example, to PyPI and also Condaforce, so that anyone around the globe, they can install your Python packages and integrate them into their geospatial workflow. And you're also going to learn how to create a website, for example, using MKDocs. You can also use JupyterBook. For example, this website is built using JupyterBook and hosted on GitHub. It's all free. You don't need to pay anything. And I'm also going to show you some of the best practices, how you can contribute to open source projects by using GitHub. And this is particularly useful if you're trying to make your research or your algorithm or your data products more accessible to the public, and how can you make this, and how can you create tutorials. So I'm going to teach you all the things that I have been doing for the last couple of years, and I hope you will learn some practical skills to also have a internet footprint on GitHub. Again, all the course materials will be available and videos. So I'll be uploading videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And you can check, just bookmark this website. You don't need to enroll in this class. You can just access the material for free. But if you want to get feedback for the lab assignments and also get a certificate after you complete the lab assignment, you're welcome to enroll in this course. You can click the link and it will take you to the university website. You can enroll here, and but again, it's free. You don't need to do that unless you want to get a certificate. So all the videos will be here. Right now, there's no video yet, so I will be uploading videos again 3 times a week. So you can check out the YouTube playlist. So the class is meeting afternoon, I think around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Monday Eastern time, US Eastern time, 3 times a week. So I will upload the video shortly after class. And you can check out the information about myself. I have developed a couple open source packages, for example, Gmap, LeafMap, Segment, Geospatial. Again, you can check out my all my open source projects on the Open Geospatial Solutions. You're also welcome to join the Discord channel if you want to. But at the end, if you have never developed any open source packages or you have never used GitHub, and this course is going to be very useful for you. So you're going to have some of the project in here, and hopefully you can use the skills that you learn. You can develop more open source packages. So you're going to contribute to the open geospatial community. You can also read through the syllabus. This is for the in-person class, but if you want to see what we're going to learn and also some more information about that, you're welcome to check that. By the way, if you want to, for example, ask questions, you can go to GitHub. So you need to have a GitHub account. And then if you go to the GitHub repository, so the entire course website is also open source. You're welcome to adapt this material for yourself. If you want to ask questions, you can go to the discussion, and then from here, so for throughout the semester, all the students are going to utilize the GitHub discussion board here to ask questions. So you're also welcome to help others if you know how to answer those questions. So what you can do is to come here, and then you once you sign in with your account, then you should be able to create a new a thread. Then you can ask questions from here. Again, I will teach you how to ask questions throughout this semester using Markdown and on GitHub. Okay, so this is the syllabus, and you can also check out the weekly schedule here. This is what we're going to cover, and there might be some minor changes. So I might add some more content depending on how we are progressing throughout the semester. But in general, there will be 10 lab assignments, and for students enroll in person in this class, there will be midterm and also the final project. But for students just enroll online, then you just need to complete 10 lab assignments, then you will get the certificate. Also, there are some references you can check out. This one here, the Python packages, and also some of other material that I developed. If you're new to geospatial, new to programming, even to learn more, I would recommend you check out the Introduction to GS Programming course that I took last semester. Again, all the videos are freely available on YouTube, so you can check out all the videos in here. So this one cover all the basics, Python basics, and also geospatial analysis and data visualization, and also interactive mapping. So if you want to learn more, check out this one. Again, you can also enroll if you want to. But for this geographic software design, we also will cover some of the basics. So you see some commonality in here between those two courses. We will spend maybe a week or two cover all the Python basics. So make sure that if you don't know Python yet, you'll be fine. And we are going to cover all the tools. At the end, we get into geospatial, how you can build on top of other geospatial packages and to integrate into your all packages. So you are standing on the shoulder of giants. And we're also going to have the lab assignment every week. So make sure that you follow the weekly assignment and practice. This course, you do need to practice. Don't just watching the video. You will not really learn until you really practice. Again, you check out the entire YouTube playlist here, and we'll cover all the tools. So this is kind of a brief introduction to the course. And you're welcome to check out bookmark the website and then follow through the videos. Again, if you're interested in getting a certificate after you complete this course, you can enroll here. And I look forward to working with you throughout the semester. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.